Making loaves of bread has become a priority in my home. To everyone watching this video, I greet you. Now let's begin. In a clean bowl, add in your flour, sugar, salt, yeast, baking powder, and cinnamon. You can use nutmeg in place of cinnamon. Mix everything together until you form a perfect and smooth dough. Transfer the dough inside the same bowl and cover to rise for 45 minutes. For better rising, keep it in a warm place. 45 minutes later, bring it out and romance it a little bit. Grease your baking pan and transfer it inside the baking pan. Cover and allow to rest for extra 30 minutes. Please, as you are enjoying this video, do not forget to subscribe. If you have not done so, like and share this video and recommend it to your friends and even to your enemies. I'm sure they will love it. 30 minutes later, the odogo has risen again. Now it's not time to create a design on top of it. Get a flour and dust on top of the dough, then grab your razor and begin to demonstrate as I did here. Or you can create your own design if you don't love flowers. But who doesn't love flowers in this world? No mind me, Jerry. So begin to create your own design gently on top of the dough until we achieve whatever we want. Please, to my returning subscribers, do not forget to like and share this video. And to my new viewers, do not also forget to subscribe to this channel, put on the notification bell and like and share. Finally, look at the beautiful heart we create. Now it's time to transfer into the oven. And here is the final result. Oya, tell me if this heart bread is not giving. From the ratio of 1 to 10, Oya, give us a rating in the comment section. We want to see it. Imagine say you make this bread early in the morning and sample it in your dining table when everybody just wake up and see it as the first thing they saw in the morning. Just imagine the kind of happiness that will come into their mind. So tell me, will you be trying this recipe at home? I beg, don't forget to check the description box to know all the ingredients and measurements that I use on this recipe and other important information or the in maka this bread.
This is why kitchen a lifestyle. We dey cook and we dey prove am.
3 ways you can enjoy this bread. Firstly, you can slice it like this. You use butter and malala the tin, or you use mayonnaise and malala the tin, or you can use yogurt and malala the tin. You can also put butter and cut it into smaller sizes and give your children to go to school for lunch or for snacks with their yogurt or their children juice. But for me and my household, this is how we enjoyed it. I use mayonnaise and malala the tin, you know. Yeah. This life is good. Maybe you okay, make I live and make I enjoy my bread though. Don't forget to like and share. I know I don't talk too much. Thank you all for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Bye.